Hey everybody, it's Lon Seib. It's time for another unboxing. I picked this up for my wife recently for Christmas. This is the Nintendo Switch Lite. So let's take a look and see what is inside. And we'll compare this to the big Switch. And what I'll probably do in a week or two is a video about how I set it up, because you have some choices as to how you want this stuff to work in a multi-Switch household, because I have one as well, or at least a regular Switch. And I'm curious to see how both will behave with each other, because I don't want to have to buy games all over again, especially for my daughter and whatnot. So we'll see how this one gets set up versus the other one. So this is it here. It's a little bit smaller than the original, so you can see the size difference here. So the screen is slightly smaller. It feels pretty nice. The D-pad feels really nice on it too. And a few weeks ago I reviewed a replacement D-pad from Hori for the regular Switch that I like quite a bit. I don't have it on here right now, but it's definitely a good alternative if you want this on the regular Switch. So that's it. Yeah, I don't like the way these shoulder buttons feel on it versus the other one, but other than that, it feels pretty nice. This one, of course, has the USB-C port down here, but it doesn't support TV output. Your games still go up here, of course. And the more I read about Switch and family sharing and everything, I think buying physical media is probably the best way to go on this platform, to be honest. And then down here is what looks like the memory card slot down there. There's no stand on this new one. So that's that. Let me power it up real quick, see if it's got any juice in it. Screen looks a little bit sharper to me, but it just could be that mine is old and dirty. So that could be what's going on. Plus, it's a little bit smaller, because I think it runs at the same resolution as the other Switch does. All right, got a little music to start off things. We've got the health and safety guide here in the box, along with the Nintendo USB charger. So I'm going to get this thing set up for my wife, and I will let you know how it works in a future video. Let me know if there's anything you'd like to see that hasn't been covered on this product before down below in the comment stream. We'll have more on this very soon. So until next time, this is Lon Seib. Thanks for watching.
This channel is brought to you by the Lon.TV supporters, including gold level supporters, the Four Guys with Quarters podcast, Tom Albrecht, Rajesh, Logic GR, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.